Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we are looking at how to create your online store on Keepsales. And specifically for this video, we will be looking at step number 6 in creating your online store, which is displaying your product on your online store. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so we click on the main menu, we click on online store, and then we click on setup and settings. Okay, so it brings us to the online store management page. Okay, so for step number 6, we'll be displaying our products. Now what this means is that when people visit our website, they'll be able to see our products on our website. Okay, so to do that, here it is giving you the way to go about it. It says that at the all products page, you simply click and then to be able to access to be able to display a particular product. Okay, so that is done under all products. So let's click on all products. All right, so let's say we want to display, I have a product here called sneakers. We want to display this particular product. Let me see if I have a photo. Okay, so we want to display this product, so we click on the online store display. Okay, let me do that again. Okay, for sneakers, we click on the online store display, and then it brings us here. Okay, so this is where, now over here you see that it says the product is currently not being displayed online. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is that we want to display the product. So we click yes, we want the product to be featured, and then it's a new arrival. Let's say it just came. So we want our customers to know that okay, this product just came. Now for our category, we have sneakers, so we select that. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is we are going to select a picture. That is, if you have a picture. Okay, I have one here, so we click on that. Okay, so our picture is uploaded. All right, because I refreshed. Okay, I have to redo this all over again, meaning the first thing you do is to upload a picture if you have one, and then you go on to select the categories. Now you can add a search tag, meaning that if people go online and then they click or they search for, let's say, Link Me Store. The name of my shop is Link Me Store Sneakers. So as they search Link Me Store Sneakers, it will take them to my website. Okay, all right, so then you can add other description, let's say affordable and imported from the US. Okay, so you can have that. Okay, so you also notice that our products, these are the information that's going to be displayed. Okay, so once we are done, okay, now I've indicated that the product should be displayed. Okay, without this, the products will not appear. We click on save all products changes. Okay, this is updated for us, and then we want to have a look at how it looks like. Okay, so if you want to have a look at how it looks like, you can just click on the live products preview. Okay, and then you notice that people will be able to see the sneakers when they visit your website or whatever products that you decide to display. Okay, so you can go back again. All right, when you go to all products, okay, you search for whichever product that you want to display again. So let me just do it for one more product and see. Okay, so all right, so I have this product. Let's say I want to display this particular image, this particular product online. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I'll have to select an image. Okay, so once it's done, okay, refreshes, it appears over here. Then now I tell Keepsales to display the product. It's a featured product, it's not a new arrival, and then I put it under a category. Okay, at least the main category, a product has to be under a certain category. All right, okay, so once we are done, okay, so I can also Link Me Store trousers. You can put in whichever details that you want. Once you are done, you click on save all products changes. Okay, this is also through. Then now you can click on live products preview, okay, to also have a look at how it appears. Okay, so this is all for how to display your products online. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We have more of these videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. In this series, we are looking at how to create your online store And then also we are looking at every single step to help you successfully create your online store. So go to our YouTube channel and check our videos out. I'll see you again in our next video. Do have a wonderful time and bye bye.